Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to clean my guest room. I'm going to give it some hotel vibes, try and make it nice and cozy in here. We've given it a little mini makeover, so I wanted to spend some time in here and give it a good bit of TLC. So our guest room has a small ensuite bathroom, and that is where I'm going to start. I'm using some Domestos power foam and a blue microfiber cloth to clean the toilet. That toilet seat is broken. Did you just see that move? I need to get my fiance to fix that. Also, there was a disgusting mark down the back of the bowl, and I think that was hair, like beard hair. This is the room that my fiance trims his beard in. So it ended up in the toilet, I don't even know how, but I wanted to get rid of that blue mark. I used the Domestos spray and I used the toilet brush and I scrubbed, and the stain was gone, and so was the gross beard hair. So very pleased with the end result of the toilet. I'm going to use the same cleaning spray now on the sink, which was also covered in beard hairs. Are they the hardest thing to clean or what? They cling to everything. But I got rid of them, and I also used the spray to just work on the chrome taps and the plug, and it actually got them up really well using my sonic scrubber here. It got rid of limescale and it got rid of the water rings and made them look really shiny and new. Honestly, I might have to buy in one of those big, have you seen those big tent things that you like hang under the guy's chin and it covers the sink so that the beard hairs don't fall in the sink? No joke, I actually might have to buy him one after cleaning this. But the whole sink area is now absolutely sparkling clean. I'm also just going to dust up on these little hidden spots as well. And I'm also going to do the radiator. This takes a little while because you have to go through all the gaps, but it looked so much better once I'd given it a good dusting. I also gave the shower a quick wipe. This shower is hardly ever used, literally only when we have guests. No one that lives here uses this shower, so I only needed to give it a quick wipe and it was pretty clean after that. I wanted to work on the floor, so I literally just cleaned the floor by hand, doing it by hand, wiping up and down, getting in every little corner and crevice. Again, there were beard hairs everywhere, so I'm really glad that I just did it by hand and did it really thoroughly, and it looked so much better and it smelled amazing as well when I was done. There's also this little windowsill here that needed to be dusted and wiped down. Again, I'm using the same spray to clean everything in this room. So I'm just going to wipe this windowsill and give the window a little bit of a clean as well before I pop everything back on the shelf. Obviously, as I'm going for hotel vibes, I'm going to make the toilet paper nice and bougie and do my little trick where you fold it over and push it under the wet tap, and it makes it look so expensive. Also going to pop a fresh shower mat in here for our next guests, and I'm going to spray it down with a bit of Febreze before I move into the bedroom. So we have got a brand new mattress to go on our new guest bed. This is an Emma mattress. I do actually have a discount code on my Instagram. If you get there in time, you might see it. But I've just unpacked our brand new mattress. Penny's testing it out and she approves. And I'm going to dress the bed. I'm going to start with a fitted sheet because nobody has time to not use a fitted sheet. And this lovely new bedding that I found in Sainsbury's in their Habitat range, which I really, really love. I love the subtle little stripes in the bedding and it felt really soft as well. So I've done the duvet. Now I'm going to add the pillows. These are lovely feather pillows, which means that you can chop them like this and it gives that sort of hotel expensive look. And I'm going to give the bed an extra touch just by adding a throw. I got this in Asda actually, I believe, but I'm going to tuck everything in so that it all looks super neat and really inviting. Now I'm on a dust mission. I'm using my Flash Bicarb surface spray and a clean cloth, and I'm going to wipe down all of the surfaces, starting with this large windowsill, making sure I've got all of the dust. And I've got a new reed diffuser to make the room smell very hotel-like. I can't remember what scent this was, but it smelled really good. Again, I got it in Habitat. And a little photo of my darling boys as well. Onto the little side table by the bed, I'm using the same spray to just wipe it down, get rid of any dust. We've been doing some drilling and things in here, putting up curtains, so there was some white dust on the surfaces. I'm now going to get my vacuum cleaner. This is the Shark Detect Pro, which luckily lives in this room, so it was right there when I needed it. And I'm going to put lines in the carpet. Again, I love doing this. It makes the room have that little hotel feeling and just makes it really nice and inviting for guests. I'm just going to spritz a little bit of Febreze fabric spray on the bed. I'm going to roll up a little towel ready for our next guest, and then you will see the icing on the cake, which is our projector that my fiance installed a few days ago. It is amazing in here. You pull down the blinds and you've got your very own private cinema. So I really hope that our future guests enjoy this. If my sister-in-law is watching this, I bet she is very happy. There you go. After a couple of hours of hard work, the guest room is sparkling. The guest room bathroom is sparkling. It's looking super cozy. I love those little LED lights behind the bed as well. But I'm so pleased with how it's all turned out. The boys actually love coming in here after they have a bath and watching the projector, so the bed is never made for long, to be honest with you. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm just going to take Penny and just sit in here for a minute and chill because it is so inviting in this room. I really hope you enjoyed this though. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.